Hello YouTube, Anonymous Stacker here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing if you guys find value or just enjoy watching videos about silver, gold, and other precious metals. So today I just wanted to share what my latest purchases are from my LCS and also talk about why I got the certain stuff that I did. But before we get into it, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to one of our community members, Heads or Tails Living. He's got an amazing channel and amazing content, and right now he's doing a giveaway for his 250 subscribers. So make sure to check out his video and drop a comment to participate in that giveaway. So guys, don't shy away. Make sure to comment on these videos. Make sure that you participate in different giveaways, because that's just how our community works right now, and that's how things are. I know a lot of people are uncomfortable, or some of you think that it's beneath you, to go and enter for a giveaway. There's nothing wrong with that. If a community member, one of our community members is doing a giveaway, by participating in that giveaway is a way to support them, a way to support their channel, because, they will feel good about it, Now, when I did a giveaway this week for these Emirates Gold Silver bars, the 20 gram specifically, there were only 4 participants. I would want that there are hundreds of participants in my giveaways, but, it's okay. But try to be more active in the community, and these little comments and just pressing a like button or subscribe goes a long way. And the reason I don't make a dedicated shout out video is because the dedicated shout out videos don't really get a lot of attention. They do get some attention in the beginning, in like the first few weeks, but later on those videos are nearly as dead. By incorporating the shout outs in our regular videos, I think it's more beneficial, because a lot of people are going to be watching this video maybe a year from now. So doing a shout out this way, I believe, supports the channel more. So another thing I wanted to talk about today was my channel stickers. They are a little delayed, and that's why I'm not sending out these Emirates Gold Silver bar right now, because I want to send them with the stickers. The reason it got delayed is because I changed my supplier or vendor, because I was getting a very nice price, a very cheaper price for the stickers from another place, but they were going to take a little bit more time. So I decided to go with that. So without further ado, let's just get right into what I bought from my LCS. So this is a tube of Royal Mint, and of course I did not buy the whole tube, but I made a deal with the guy, and I told him I'll buy 3 if you give me one of these tubes, because I wanted to get just one of these coins, but because of the tube, I made a deal with him and I got that tube for free. So I think that was a pretty good deal. And the reason why I'm not wearing my gloves today is because the LCS guys, they were already handling them, because they were just treating them as bullion coins, but they're really pretty and really shiny. And I'll also make a video in which I'm going to be comparing the new design to the old design. So make sure to subscribe and click that ring bell so you don't miss out any of my future videos. Amazing detail, the wavy lines and that privy mark. I love this coin. I was not a fan of Britannia's before the 2021s came out, but these 2021s are amazing. So for my 2021 goals, I'm gonna try and fill this tube right here, and maybe because my LCS told me that he's got a lot of these coins, so of course I will just try and finish this tube by the end of this year. So another purchase that I made was this 5 grams of Emirates gold bar. And the reason why I picked up this gold bar is because I want to collect all of the Emirates gold bars as far as I can go. Obviously, they go all the way from 1 gram to 1 kg, just like the silver bars. But obviously, I can't buy the kg bar, I wanted to get all of these different Emirates gold bars for, you know, as far as I can go. Maybe 50 grams would be the max limit for now, or 100 gram if I stretch it out a little bit. But let's see. Right now I have a 1 gram and a 5 gram, and the 2.5 gram was sold out. So that's why with the money for that 2.5 grams, I got the Britannias instead. So another thing that I purchased was a round, which is in this pouch right here. And I'm not going to be showing it to you guys today because I think that round deserves its own video. So what do you think? Which round deserves its own video? So let me know if you guys can figure it out. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure to watch one of these recommended videos, and thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.